Life doesn't arrive with clear directions. It teaches us quietly, day by day, through small mistakes, silent tears, moments we never planned. Some days feel heavy, like the sky forgot how to shine. Yet even in the darkest hours, we learn to breathe, to stand, to try. Again, life isn't about being perfect, but about being present, about choosing hope when doubt